Every time you turn your steering wheel, something almost magical happens. The car changes direction. Left, right, slight correction, full turn. It all feels smooth, natural, almost effortless. But behind that simple motion is one of the most important and carefully engineered systems in your entire vehicle, the steering system. It doesn't just turn the wheels, it translates human intention into precise mechanical movement while keeping a multi-ton machine stable, controlled, and safe. And here's the surprising part. Most drivers use it every day without truly understanding how it works. So let's break it down clearly. What is a steering system? What does it do? What parts make it work? And how does turning a wheel inside the car actually move the tires outside? Let's dive in. What is a steering system? A steering system is a collection of mechanical components and linkages that allow a vehicle to follow a desired direction. In simple terms, it converts the rotation of the steering wheel into the left or right movement of the front wheels. That might sound simple, but the engineering behind it is anything but. When you turn the steering wheel, you are not directly moving the tires. Instead, you are activating a chain reaction of components that amplify, transfer, and control that motion. And the system is designed so that a small effort from the driver becomes a controlled, precise movement of the wheels. Without this system, turning a vehicle would require extreme physical force. Why the steering system matters. Driving isn't just about going forward, it's about control. The steering system is responsible for changing direction, maintaining lane control, handling curves and corners, avoiding obstacles, and supporting overall vehicle stability. Even the smallest steering input can affect how a car behaves at speed. That's why steering systems are engineered with precision, because even slight looseness or delay can affect safety. How the steering system works. At its core, the steering system follows a simple idea. Convert circular motion into side-to-side wheel movement. Here's the flow. 1. Driver turns the steering wheel. 2. Steering column transfers the motion downward. 3. Steering gear converts rotation into linear movement. 4. Linkages push or pull the wheels. 5. Front tires change direction. The key transformation happens in the steering gear, where rotational motion becomes linear motion. That is the heart of the system. Main parts of a car steering system. A steering system is not a single component, it's a chain of connected parts working together. Let's go through the major ones. 1. Steering wheel, the driver's control point. The steering wheel is where everything begins. It is the interface between the driver and the vehicle. When you turn it, you are initiating the steering process. You are sending mechanical input into the system. Modern steering wheels may also include indicators, horn controls, cruise control buttons, and infotainment controls. But its core function remains the same: control direction. 2. Steering column, the transmission pathway. The steering column connects the steering wheel to the rest of the system. It transfers rotational movement downward into the vehicle. When you turn the wheel, the column rotates. That motion is passed to intermediate shafts and joints. It also often includes safety features designed to collapse during a collision to reduce injury risk. 3. Steering gear, the conversion center. This is where the real transformation happens. The steering gear takes rotational motion and converts it into linear motion. It also multiplies the driver's input, meaning small steering wheel movement results in larger wheel movement. This makes steering easier and more responsive. 2 major systems exist here: a rack and pinion and a recirculating ball system. We'll explain those shortly.
4. Pitman arm, drop arm, the motion translator. The pitman arm connects the steering gear to the rest of the linkage system. Its job is to take movement from the steering gear, transfer it into side-to-side motion. Think of it as a lever that redirects force into usable movement for the wheels. 5. Ball joints, flexible connection points. Ball joints act like human joints in the steering system. They allow movement in multiple directions while staying connected. They connect steering arms to suspension parts, allow wheels to move up and down, maintain steering control during suspension movement. Without them, the wheels couldn't adjust to road surfaces properly. 6. Drag link, the motion bridge. The drag link transfers motion from the pitman arm to the steering assembly. Its role is to carry motion across the vehicle, maintain steering alignment, convert arcs into straight movement. It ensures both sides of the steering system work together. 7. Steering arms, direction controllers. The steering arms are attached to the wheel assemblies. They receive motion from the linkage system, turn the wheels left or right. They are one of the final points before actual wheel movement happens. 8. Stub axle and steering knuckle, wheel movement hub. This part holds the wheel and allows it to rotate. It supports the wheel hub, connects to suspension, allows controlled turning motion. When steering input reaches this point, the wheels finally change direction. 9. Tie rods, alignment maintainers. Tie rods connect both wheels together through the steering system. They ensure both wheels turn evenly, maintain alignment, prevent uneven steering angles. If tie rods wear out, steering becomes loose or inaccurate. How a car's steering system works, step by step. Now let's connect everything into a simple flow. Step 1. Steering wheel turns. The driver rotates the steering wheel. That motion enters the steering column. Step 2. Motion travels down the column. The steering shaft carries the rotation to the steering gear. Step 3. Steering gear converts motion. This is the key transformation point.
The system converts rotational motion to linear motion. That means turning becomes pushing and pulling. Step 4. Linkage system transfers force. The pitman arm, drag link, and tie rods carry this movement outward. Step 5. Wheels turn. Finally, the steering knuckles and stub axles rotate the wheels left or right. The vehicle changes direction. All of this happens in seconds. Types of steering systems. Different vehicles use different steering designs. 1. Rack and pinion steering system, most common. This is the standard system in modern cars. It works using a pinion gear attached to the steering column, a flat gear rack connected to the wheels. When you turn the wheel, the pinion rotates, the rack moves sideways, wheels turn accordingly. It is simple, precise, lightweight, responsive. That's why it dominates modern vehicles. 2. Power steering system. Power steering reduces driver effort. There are 2 main types. Hydraulic power steering system, HPS, uses fluid pressure generated by a pump to assist steering movement. Electric power steering system, EPS, uses an electric motor and sensors instead of hydraulic fluid. Electric systems are now more common because they improve fuel efficiency, require less maintenance, offer better control tuning. 3. Recirculating ball steering system. This system is older but still used in heavy-duty vehicles. It uses a worm gear, ball bearings, a recirculating mechanism. It is strong, durable, ideal for heavy loads, but it is less precise than rack and pinion systems. Common steering problems. Even strong systems can develop issues over time. 1. Hard or stiff steering, often caused by power steering failure, low fluid levels, pump issues.
2. Loose steering, caused by worn components like tie rods, ball joints. 3. Steering vibration, may come from wheel imbalance, suspension issues, tire problems. 4. Vehicle pulling to one side, often due to misalignment, uneven tire pressure, suspension wear. 5. Grinding noises, could indicate gearlin, lack of lubrication, internal damage. Why steering maintenance matters. A steering system is not just about comfort, it is about safety. Small issues can grow into serious problems if ignored. Regular maintenance helps prevent steering failure, improve driving control, extend system lifespan, ensure safe handling. A well-maintained steering system feels invisible because it simply works. Conclusion: the steering system is silent engineering at work. Every turn you make while driving is the result of a highly coordinated mechanical system working in the background. From the steering wheel in your hands to the tires on the road, dozens of components work together instantly and precisely. It takes conversion of motion, mechanical linkage coordination, precision engineering, and constant reliability, all to do one thing: help you control direction safely and smoothly. So the next time you turn your steering wheel, remember, you're not just turning a part of the car. You're activating one of the most important systems that keeps every journey under control.